Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make a title card like you see on the screen right now. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, new Fusion comp. You can name it if you want, you don't have to, and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms, so it will be up there on the screen. Get a background, plug it into the media out. You now should have a black screen. Turn the alpha all the way down and go to one viewer. Get another background and a rectangle. Merge them together. Pick a default color. Put your playhead at frame 0. Take the height all the way down. Set a keyframe. I am on a 30 FPS. You may have to adjust accordingly. I'm going to advance 1 second. And take the height up to 0.35. And advance 10 frames. Set the width to 0.35. And set a keyframe on the width. Advance your playhead 1 second. And take the width down to 0. Get a text node. Merge it into the merge. It'll make a merge. Put the text you're liking in. Set your size, tracking, and everything. Now you'll see when you scrub the playhead, it doesn't affect the text. Grab the rectangle, plug it into the blue mask of the merge. Select the merge, get a transform, put the size at 2.87. With the transform selected, shift space and keyframe stretcher. And select the rectangle. Between 30 and 40 is where we're going to stretch the frames. Select the keyframe stretcher. On stretch start, put 30 and stretch end 40. Scrub your playhead towards almost gone. Rotate the source end to the left. You might have to do this several times. Each time, take the playhead farther. You want it to be gone with about 10 to 15 frames left. Let's rename the background to color. Okay, before we make the macro, select the rectangle, open your spline, go to zoom to fit, select all, and F on the keyboard. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down, select these in the order that I do. Then hit A on the keyboard, keep the control button down, deselect the media out, right click on any one of the other nodes, macro, create macro, give it a name, and follow along. We're going to select all of these. So we have gradient, Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. This is where you're going to make a folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same, or Resolve won't recognize it. And we'll go find it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Again, you can stretch it to whatever length you want. You have your color, your text, everything over here in the inspector. Pretty much self-explanatory. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.